Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Real quick video here on hopefully fixing the issue I've been having with the truck. So going down the road, everything's good as long as you're on the throttle. Come up to a stoplight or an intersection or anything like that, and it every once in a while will hesitate, just start chugging, and then sometimes even die. So real quick research said basically start with the Evap purge. Right there. That guy right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. And it's super simple, man. It's right there. Literally 2 bolts and 1 connector and 1 line. So yeah. I went down to O'Reilly's, got it. There you go. There's a part number, but just tell them what you got, what you need. Make sure it's the purge though. This is the purge. Not the one at the top of the tank. So this is going to be the easy one to change. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, only thing you're going to need, 8 mil for the 2 bolts. Me on the other hand, I'm going to need a bucket because I'm short. Doesn't show up on video, but hey, I'm short. All right. Digging into this bad boy, it's right here. So you got your clip, push down on that guy right there, slide the connector off. This guy right here should be able to just push into this green tab here. Should be able to. Of course, it's never that easy, right? But yeah, if you push this, it should loosen it. Yeah, let me set you down. I'm gonna take the bolts off first, slide it out. Maybe I'll be able to get a better angle at it. There, pull it up just like so. And there's also these little bushings here. New ones come with the new part. So then these, let's see, you can see the little tabs there now. You should just be able to push them in and up. Yeah, see, then this clip comes up and you can slide that guy out. There it is. There it is, yo. That's the old one. All right. Then the new one did come with a new O-ring. And then the bushings just slip right in. Let me see. There's a certain way to do it. Okay. The hard plastic goes at the top. That's what the screw sits against. So you want to make sure you put them in that way. There. Just like that. So, anyway, where were we? Okay, put this bad boy back in. So, seeing how we're right here, just be careful of that O-ring, you know, just kind of work it in there. Maybe, if it's even gonna work in there. There we go. And she's in there now. Start your screws. Super simple. Super simple. I'm just using the ratchet just because I don't want to, this is plastic, you know. I don't want to accidentally break anything with an impact. Takes a little longer, but it's definitely a little safer. God, this 1/4 inch Craftsman ratchet, man. The teeth are so small, they always slip. Always have. Hate it. There. All good there. Snap her back down. Bam! Look at that, guys. Done. Done. Alright, I don't know how quick this video was, but probably didn't make the 8 minutes. Oh well. there you guys go. Hopefully this video helped you guys out, and hopefully it fixes the problem. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to go for that Evap canister on top of the tank, and nobody wants to do that. That's one of those where I go, oh, I think I'll just bring it to Ford. But all right, guys, hopefully you learned something from this video, how easy this actually is. I'm gonna take care of my bucket, and I will see you guys next time. Later.